Are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys about constructing parallel lines using the rhombus method. Now I'm going ahead of the game right now because rhombus is a quadrilateral, and that's the next chapter we're going to talk about. So we don't know what a rhombus is yet, but I'm going to give you a little head start. Rhombus, by definition, is a quadrilateral, all sides congruent. I don't know why I just wrote out that word when I could have used the symbol. All sides are congruent. So much like a square, except the square has 90-degree angles. Rhombus doesn't need to have 90-degree angles. It just needs to have four sides where all four sides are congruent. So if I understand that concept, then I can construct a pair of parallel lines using that. So I start off by giving myself a line segment, and I'm going to give myself a point not on that line segment. So I'll call it P. I am going to connect point P to this line any which way I want to. I can connect it like this. I can connect it like this. As long as there's a line segment connecting P to the line in question, that's all you care about. We'll call that point R. That is going to be one of my congruent sides. Remember, rhombus by definition, four-sided figure where all the sides are congruent. So now this just breaks down to me copying this segment how many more times? Three more times, because this is going to be one out of the four sides. So that means I have to copy it from every single point that I create. Starting with P and R, I'll copy it from R first, if you will. So you can see that it is now set in my compass. PR is set in the compass. I'm going to duplicate it from point R, which means I'm going to swing it right here. This creates an intersection, which we will call point S. PRS. I'm going to duplicate again. Notice I did not change the radius setting. It is still set in my compass. I'm going to now duplicate it from point S. Well, there's no intersection there because I still have to duplicate PR from what point? Everybody, what's the last point I haven't duplicated from yet? P. Watch what happens when you duplicate it from point P. We now have an intersection, which we will now call point. I was thinking T. And voila, what's going to happen here is if I connect P through T, what do you think I'm going to have? No. What is it that we're trying to do? Parallel lines. Do they appear parallel to you?
They seem pretty parallel.
There you go. Done. That's the rhombus method.
Am I done?
Stop it now.
Yeah, I said done. That's the rhombus.